friends, today I'm going to be making dragon roll. Guess where I am? I am in Hawaii with my great mentor, Ken Honda.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my
friends.
friend. So happy to be here.
Look at his clothes.
Very Hawaiian.
Let me talk a little bit about Ken Honda. He is author of Happy Money, and that's a Japanese art of making peace around money. So his expertise of money. Can you a little bit talk about the book?
Okay. Happy money is money that makes you smile when you receive it and gives you joy when you spend it. By thanking money coming in and going out, you can enjoy the circulation of money. That's what I call happy money. So today it's a happy cooking.
It's a happy cooking, yeah, definitely. So I'm so proud of him. He is the only author who is doing his work in English. That's why he's my greatest mentor ever. Yes, let's get started.
Yes, and today she is my mentor in cooking. So
Thank you.
I'm her student.
Thank you for saying that. Today I'm going to help him to make a sushi roll. Is this your first time to make sushi?
Many years ago, as a family, there's Japanese tradition. When we celebrate something, we do temaki-zushi.
Oh, yes.
So it's been, well, I don't know, 20 years or something.
Yeah,
so I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, temaki-zushi is a kind of party food for Japanese people. So we having a temaki-zushi party at the birthday party. That's a very good memory for you. Yeah.
So I'm very excited.
Okay, let's get started. We have nori seed and sushi rice prepared beforehand, and shrimp tempura.
It's already smelling good.
Yes, and avocado and cucumbers. So do you know that the American cucumber is so huge?
You're right,
Yeah,
and it's a little watery.
Yeah, it's watery, and that is not good. So we have to remove all the seeds. It doesn't get soggy.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
And we have eel sauce, and that is the mixture of sugar and mirin and soy sauce. And this is spicy mayonnaise.
Wow.
So you have to use the Kewpie mayonnaise, the Japanese one. It makes so much difference. And mixed with Sriracha sauce. I cannot pronounce it. Sriracha sauce. Can you pronounce it?
I can't do that either.
Can you do that? Sriracha sauce. Yes, that's it. And we have curry. Unfortunately, this is not my homemade, but it should be good. Okay.
All right.
Let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, let's get started rolling. Here we have a nori seed, and we have this is a whole seed of nori, but we don't use the whole size, so we have to fold in half like this. We're gonna use 2/3 of the nori seed. So just fold in half, and then the other side, and then just tear into two. It's doing it, but yeah, you can do it just like that. It's that easy. And this is here, and you have to moisten your hand like this, and it should be a vinegary water, but I left it in my hotel. I'm sorry. So this is just the water. Makes any trouble. And let's take a handful of sushi rice, and like this. It's a small rice bowl size, and just put it here in the center. And this is an inside-out roll, so you can spread the sushi rice all over the surface, and start from the center, and just use your fingertips like this, the pushing to the edge, and the other edge like this, and push towards the other side you are standing like this. And if you take too much rice, you can just take it out. And when you fill up to the edges, and then go down like this. Go down, 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 and the other edges. It goes like this. From the center and edges, and upwards and downwards. so it should be even. So dip your finger into the vinegary water once in a while to do this work easily. Don't push too much. Be careful not to smash the grains. Just spread out like this.
Wow.
Like this. You're so quiet today.
I'm just observing.
Okay. So I have a question for you, Ken. What's the most favorite food when you are outside of Japan? I mean the Chinese food or Thai food or...
I'm very flexible, so I try not to eat Japanese food when I'm going overseas. But looking at this makes me very hungry.
Okay, we spread the rice very nicely, like this, very even. And then this is inside out roll, so the rice should be outside. So you have to put the piece of the plastic on top of the rice. And then just flip it over like this. And put the cucumbers here.
Cucumbers first.
Either way.
Okay.
And then shrimp tempura just made in here. And put it like this. And then we have a gap in between. So just
three?
Just take it off the tail and then put it in the middle, in the center. And squeeze a little bit of mayonnaise, the spicy mayonnaise.
What's in this?
It's a mixture of Japanese Kewpie Mayo and the Sriracha Sauce, spicy chili sauce.
Okay.
Yes. Hold with the two hands, thumb and index finger, and your other three fingers put on the ingredients, the filling, to stay in the position. And then just like this, go up and over the ingredients, like just squeezing a little and tighten up, and then just go over the other side. And then squeeze like this, use your sushi mat like this, and then squeeze and open up. Ta-da!
Wow! Voila!
Yeah, voila! It's so easy. And then for the finishing touch, we are using avocado. I don't know this avocado is ripe or not, but let's just give it a shot. Rotate. Have you ever opened the avocado before?
Yes.
Really? You like that?
Yes. I eat it every day.
It's not good. It's not every day. I have never made.
I'm a little scared the way you use the knife. I usually put it
really?
on the board.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry.
But you're a master, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
And slice into very thin, like this, and like this. It's gonna be on top of the sushi roll, and it shows like a scale of the dragon. Just put it on top of the sushi roll, like this. Carefully, just carefully slide on top of the sushi roll, like this. It looks good.
Wow.
And place another piece of plastic wrap, like this. And squeeze. Squeeze again to put them together. Okay. Okay, yeah. It looks perfect.
Wow. Yay.
That's the dragon roll. Yay. So let's finish up the dragon roll. Cut in half, like this. And then wipe your knife. And then cut in half again. Cut in half each section. And we're gonna have 8 equal portions. This. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. And then finish up with the sauce. Here we have eel sauce, goes like this. And we have sriracha sauce and mayo mix, the spicy mayonnaise, and it goes like this. Do you like the spicy food?
Yes,
Ken-san?
yes.
Okay.
I like
let's-
Korean
yeah.
and Mexican.
Okay, so let's drizzle a little bit of Sriracha sauce here.
Wow.
Fried onion for the finishing touch. It looks like a really American style Japanese sushi. Okay, here we have dragon sushi roll. Okay.
Beautiful.
So now it's your turn. Would you like to try this?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, so I'll just take this piece.
You need more. Maybe. Is it good? Yay, okay. Thank you. I've done a great job. Ken-san,
Okay.
it's your turn.
Okay,
So do you remember how
1/3,
to do
right?
it? Yeah.
Okay, so I'm
Folding.
gonna make a happy money sushi roll.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
This much,
fold-
right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm good with origami. I used to teach origami.
Used to teach.
Yes,
Teach
in
who?
American school.
Oh, really? Which object is your favorite?
Yeah, I can do so many things.
Okay.
But that's 30 years ago, so look at this. It's okay.
So
There you go.
there is a rough side and shiny side. So rough side up, shiny side down. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
this
the
one.
shiny
Okay.
side. Yes. And
I wet my-
just
oh,
handful.
Whoops.
handful of sushi rice. It's very sticky, so dip into the water once in a while. I think a little bit more.
A little bit more.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
not easy to grab the exact amount to make the sushi roll, but yeah,
Okay.
it's your call.
It looked so easy when Akino Sensei
Yes,
did it.
yes, looks so easy, but not
Okay.
easy to do. But you can do it. Use your fingertips like
Okay. At least I can do put so much love in this one. Okay.
this. Okay, so fill the corners, and
So a little bit more.
then it become a huge size, gigantic sushi. So spread it.
Okay, like this.
Yes, you spread the rice so nicely. It's nicely done. So place the piece of plastic on top of the rice to flip it over.
Like this.
Yes, and then flip it over with the
Boom.
yes, great. That looks great.
So?
And then place the shrimp tempura and cucumber in the middle, in the center.
Here, like this.
Yes, that's it.
All right. So
And
far,
then
so
squeeze-
good.
Yes, so far so good. And squeeze a little bit of.
This one is so tasty. So I'll
Yeah.
put extra.
Yes, you're gonna roll the sushi. Actually, roll the sushi.
Like
yes.
this.
Yes, and your three fingers, yes, place on top of the ingredients, and squeeze and tighten.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit tight squeeze, and then
Like
go.
this.
Yes, yes, like that. Okay, yeah, and go over to the edge. Okay, and squeeze. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Open up. Open up. Oh!
Okay.
And then, yes,
And then like this.
yes, yes. Try it again. Okay, okay. Once again, and squeeze. And let's see it again. Oh, it looks good. Great. This is great. All right.
Okay.
All right. So you are really good at slicing avocado. Okay.
Okay, so I think I should do this
Yes,
first.
yes, yes.
Then,
Okay.
like this.
Yes. And slide to. Okay. Yeah, lightly, just lightly. Yes. And then open up. Okay. Okay, Honda's happy.
Yeah!
Great. Okay. Great, great.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Placing it on the plate. Looks great.
It looks
Okay,
a little
okay.
bit different from Akino Sensei's, but it should taste the same.
Right. Yeah, you can do that whatever you want with your eel sauce and spicy mayo and sriracha sauce.
Well, it didn't quite go as Akino Sensei, but it's okay.
Okay. Okay. It looks good. Yay, Ken Honda's drum roll.
Yes!
Yay! Thank you. Thank you for your help.
できたすごい Well, lots of happy money in there. Ta-da!
Yeah, lots of happy money in the
Yes.
dragon roll. So, how was the experience?
I'm
sushi roll?
amazed with myself.
Yeah,
Because with
this is great.
Akino Sensei's help, can you believe it? I did it.
This is great.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I
you
heard.
you can start a sushi bar.
Yeah, and
in Japan.
I heard Akino Sensei is going to visit your town in the future
Yes.
and start
Yeah.
teaching these, right?
Yeah, if you want me to come to your city, please let me know. I'm gonna go to your place to make a sushi. Yes.
Amazing. Anybody
Thank
can
you.
do it. I could do it, so can you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Akino Sensei.
Thank you very
I
much.
can't wait to eat this one right after
Yeah,
this.
yeah, let's eat. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Arigato. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
So I have the honor of eating my first.
Yeah, sure. You should be the first one. Okay.
Look at this. Whoa.
Wow.
Can't believe this.
Yeah,
Mm.
you did it. Amazing. Ken Honda makes dragon roll. Oh, one bite. Do you like it?
Mm.
You cannot say anything. Go ahead, girls. Yeah. Go ahead, girls. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Itadakimasu means.
Very good.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, girls.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Finished. So see you next week. Bye.
Bye bye.